On October 6, 2024, an unidentified black female knocked on a door, requested to use the bathroom, and later entered and attempted to start a vehicle without keys.
I called him before I even talked to y'all. I just moved here from North Carolina.
Where do you live?
I live at 121 Pine Lakes Parkway.
What are you doing down here?
He just told, I got a random phone call that said your family is in danger. If you don't listen to what I say, we're going to kill your family.
What's your first name?
Jaquasia. J-A-Q-U-A-S-I-A.
Your middle name?
S-H-E-R-R-I-L-L.
S-H-E-R-R-I-L. What's your last name?
F-O-S-T-E-R.
F-O-S-T-E-R. Foster?
Foster, yeah.
Date of birth?
April 5th, 2001.
You have the right to remain silent, and anything you say may be used as evidence against you.
So I'm being under arrest.
Yes, ma'am. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her with you now or at any time during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. Do you understand these rights?
Yeah.
With these rights in mind, are you willing to talk to me?
Yeah.
So what are you doing? What are you doing?
I swear to God, I got a phone call saying, come to this address.
From who?
A random phone number.
Just a random?
Yes. They said, come to this address. I have your family. If you don't come to this address, we will hurt your family. So once I got here, they said, don't let the cops see you. Basically to like hide from you. I'm not a criminal. I mean, clearly, a criminal would know like not to hide behind a fucking tree. Like, be for real.
Have you been drinking tonight?
I stooped like barely at all.
How did you get here?
I drove.
You drove? Where's your car
Yeah,
at?
I'm not like drunk.
Where's
Like,
your car?
It's up the road. I did not come. I'm good.
You don't know which house you parked in?
Not exactly. I just went to whatever address that was sent to me.
Okay. So what address was sent to you?
It was like can I have my phone? If I can walk with you.
No. You just stay right there.
Which car was she sitting in?
This one.
This Acura?
Acura. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you have her?
Yeah, she's down there.
So what the hell happened?
I have no idea.
We have no idea who this person is. She's like, I'm Willow's kid. Let me in. I just left there. I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah,
And then she's sitting in our car, banging on the car with the phone. We're definitely pressing charges.
Yeah, we're trying to figure it all out. The deputies down there, they're going to come talk to you. They're going to figure out what happened with this car. Is there any damage to this thing?
We're not sure. We can't see from the outside. She was banging on the car with her phone.
She was sitting over here?
She was sitting on this side, and then she got to the driver's side. You can see
And
the
she
wet
was
spots
trying
on
to
the
start
floor
the
if you open
car.
the door.
How easy is it for you guys to like download copies of the video from your cameras?
This is all her. This is
Okay. Yeah, just if you could figure out, you probably have to download the individual files.
Here, I can
and
hit
then,
share. Look. Well, she's on the phone with somebody.
Sounds like she's talking to somebody she knows.
Yeah, she's on the phone with someone.
Did you check any of these other ones here?
No, the rest of the cars were locked. Well, I don't know about her son's car, but he usually locks it, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, this one, she was
What's this
definitely...
big mark here?
That's probably a bird or something.
Just making sure there's no damage, you know. Is there anything missing or anything that you can...
anything in the car? The only thing is she kept on saying she had to pee, so I was hoping I don't think she peed in the car because I opened the doors. That was like the only thing I was really afraid of.
Okay.
I didn't care if she peed in any other car, but not this one.
Which one is it that text you?
Oh my fucking God. It was a random number, bro.
No, I just opened
It was before the Jordan Mouse.
Oh, there's nobody there.
The Jordan Mouse I met at my job. So you can click him and you see where I sent my location. I met that person at my job and he was like, hey, you're really pretty. I like to get to know you, da da da.
We're talking about the messages. And
this is the message that all happened
from
tonight.
Jordan Mouse.
Yeah, this happened tonight.
Is Jordan the one that texted you to tell you to come over here?
Yeah, he was like they went from Daytona. I actually got invited to a little getaway party, whatever, where everybody's drinking, like grilling, da da da. But by the time it was time for them to come, everybody's like in bed.
Said it was an unknown voice.
No, I don't know his voice. I don't know him well enough to know his voice. I have no idea.
Or text you?
It was a random. You can check the phone call up too.
Because this Jordan guy doesn't say anything about you coming over to the S section and start knocking on people's
It was
doors.
an address. I promise you, it was an where did I get the address from? Check my maps.
I'm like, you tell us.
I don't come to a random address. Like, I don't do stuff like that. No, go
Did
back
you
the
get
other way.
what he's asking you is, did you get
Top,
a text or a
right to
phone
the right.
call?
It was like a text to the address. It said 66 something drive. The reason I tapped whatever they messaged me, I copied and pasted it. I was like, all right, wherever I'm supposed to go, let me go there. I'm not no.
Did you delete the text message or anything? 'Cause
No,
there's nothing
not
in-
at all.
There's no text message saying
What- hey,
anything
That's what
about-
I'm saying. That's the scary part.
Why were you sitting in their car?
Why was I sitting in who car?
Car.
Down the road, car.
No, that's my car. Whose car?
Listen, the house that you were knocking on, the door that you were knocking on.
That's where they told me to go.
After you got done knocking on the door, went into the people's car and sat inside their car.
I didn't sit in anybody. I sat in my car.
No, you didn't.
What? Can you
They
go
have
back
you
and
on
watch?
video of you sitting in their car in their driveway.
On their security
What?
cameras.
Do they have a similar car as me or something? Are you serious right now? I have not sat in anyone's car besides mine.
Who do you live with right now?
I live in my car. That's what I'm saying.
You just said you live off of Pine Lake.
Yes, it's 121 Pine Lakes Parkway North. That's what's on my profile.
Do you live by yourself?
Yes.
Do you have any friends or family here?
Yes. I have
And
3
where-
sisters.
And where are they?
They're 121 Pine Lakes Parkway North, Palm Coast, Florida.
You know their number by heart?
Yes, 1116.
Phone number.
Whose phone? It's 3 different people. So whose phone
Who
number?
could we call to verify all this?
You can look at my phone. Type in, she's one of the last people I texted. I texted her and said,
Hey,
I'm
don't
hanging
yell.
out. No, baby, I'm not trying to yell. I'm actually enthusiastic about it. I texted her and said, I'm hanging out with this white guy.
Who's your sister?
Right here, hold on, wait. Right here. I said, I'm hanging out with this guy. Call if I don't respond. I sent my address. You see that right there? I sent my address because I was nervous about hanging out with him.
Does she have her phone number that we can call her?
You can try. Her
That's-
phone's off button.
That's just an email address that you can message me back.
Yeah, she uses like
What about your other sister?
FaceTime audio. You can call the other one. You can try to call the other one.
Who's
I'm
the
not
other
close to like my siblings or whatever, but
You just have their phone number and contacts?
you can try, yeah. I have no problem. I don't break into people's houses. Like, I'm good.
Okay.
Okay. Like, this is crazy. I'm actually shocked as fuck. That's crazy. Like, is this how you would dress to go to break into somebody's house? Like, that happens?
Yeah. You were
That's
pulling on
sad
people's
as hell.
doors and you sat in someone's car.
No, bro. Like, they told me if you don't go to their house, they're going to hurt.
And that was from that random
Right.
number.
Yeah. Seriously, like, I left straight from. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Was Jordan Mouse the guy that you went out with tonight?
No. It was a different guy that sold me my car. After that, I was getting text messages back and forth. Jordan, I don't know his last name. He was like, oh, we're gonna go out, da-da-da. I was like, all right, cool, whatever. And
So
then
you know this Jordan Mouse?
vaguely, I met him one time in person. One time in person at my job, actually. He came
Oh,
and
that's
he
right,
got
you
like
did say
business cards printed out, if I'm not mistaken.
And you exchanged phone numbers?
Yes, I work at Staples. I'm the print supervisor. So
The one in
I
Palm
do
Coast?
like, yeah,
Okay.
I do like business cards, flyers, anything like that. I'm the person you come to.
You on any medications or anything?
No, I'm good.
No.
You don't take any medicine for anything?
No.
So you're just intoxicated?
No, I barely drink anything. Like, I'm good.
What's your other sister's name? Because that phone number's not working.
Korean Foster.
What is it?
Korean. I
And
sleep
C?
in my car, so I usually just park
K or
and sleep. Corien. They probably blocked me. Like, we fell out really badly. Or you could just call my mom.
Where's your mom?
She lives in Waldo, Florida. You know what that is? Yeah.
No,
She's like
where's
an
that?
hour and a half away. I usually go to her on the weekends, actually. I decided not to this weekend to, like, save gas or whatever.
So you said you've been sleeping in your car?
Yeah, I live in my car. Like,
I just talked to your sister, Doreen. She wasn't really that much selfish. Like I said, she doesn't really talk to you that much.
that's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, we all stopped talking, but I'm trying to figure out who it was that caught, like, that was texting. He pulled it up, or was that you?
There's
over
no
there?
text message
All
on
of the
there.
messages are gone.
The last message
We
you have
had
on there
conversation.
is from Jordan.
Jordan is the last person that I was talking to.
Did you get freaked out and just delete them?
No, I promise to. I swear to you.
Text messages don't randomly just delete off.
That's what I'm saying.
So
I have
maybe
not
you just
had the last conversation I've had was with Jordan.
The last address you have was West 66.
It was like 66 Park View or like Park Way, something like that. It's the guy who sold me my car. His name is Mike.
Well, that address is not in here, unfortunately.
That means they literally somehow hacked into my. I swear to you, like type in Mike in the messages. Look.
Mike?
Yes, I can help you. Mike. Type in Mike. Oh, it's not. Pause. Can cancel? Top right corner. I sent it to my sister. Oh my god, I sent it to my sister. Go back, Jackal. Yes. Scroll up. That address right there. That's where I was.
That's where we're at right now.
That's where I was. No. Scroll up. Okay.
That right there?
I'm sorry. Scroll up again.
That
Okay. I was there. I went there. They invited me to like grill food and whatnot. I sent it to my sister because I felt uneasy about it. I was
you were at Pine Lakes Apartments?
Yes, I was nervous about it. I was like, I don't know if I can like trust them, you know?
When you were hanging out with Jordan, you didn't go upstairs into the car or anything?
Upstairs into their car?
When you went to go hang out with Jordan, when you went to go meet him?
Yeah, he put up outside of a house I was already at.
Did he get into your car or no?
No.
No?
Never.
Were you hanging out with Jordan when you got that random text message?
No. I was at my job. He told me we were supposed to be hanging out.
What time? Where were you when you got the text message?
It was about 1 something. I was in the bed with the person that sold me my car, and we were about to watch a movie.
And where was that at?
I don't know. It should be in my phone. His name is Mike.
Hold this, look through. Hold this.
You said his name is Mike?
Yes. Did you see the message?
I did not. I'm just seeing Jordan.
Are you fucking kidding me? What the fuck?
Yeah, that's from July.
We've had messages today. How the fuck did they do that and why? They didn't expect me to send messages to my sister, but I did. He did something to try to scam me, to try to take money, when in reality, there's nothing to take. Like, that's really it. I have nothing. I'm broke as hell. I sleep in my car. Like, I don't have nothing to do.
Hey, is this Michael?
Yes.
Hey, Michael, my name is Deputy Magnuson. I'm with the Sheriff's Office.
Hey, I called because I invited a guest to my house last night, and after she left, it shows that she got arrested for like burglary. And I checked my security cameras, and my security cameras like show her trying to like get into my neighbor's car like across the street from me.
What's your relationship to her?
I sold her a car, and she seemed kind of nice. So last night we invited a couple friends over, and she came over and hung out, and then 3:30 she left. It shows her an hour later, like trying to get into the neighbor's car.
Was she intoxicated when she left? I mean...
No, she was fine.
She was completely like in a calm, clear state of mind?
I think so. I mean, she didn't seem otherwise. Like we were talking for hours.
Yeah.